Hello, this is Ian Stevenson. We're standing aboard the brand new 2024 Aviara 28 Outboard. This beautiful new design boat has just hit the market. We're going to take a look at some of the features on the boat. First of all, you'll notice this massive swim platform, full beam from one side to the other, and even with the motors up, you still have a designated passageway into the boat. Massive sun pad here on the back. You've got a huge amount of storage down below with this lifted up because there's no engine in the boat. This cool feel vinyl in the gray is absolutely beautiful. The fit and finish on this model, and easily enough space for at least 10 people on the boat. Wraparound seating here. This optional galley on the 28, perfect for some day boating. The hardtop itself is automatically operated. You push a button, the entire top will go aft, leaving you the ability to go under bridges or just get out of some of that weather. Lots of space and lots of depth as we walk through to the front, right at my hip height, so you really feel like you're in the boat. Vinyl wrapped speakers, designated cup holders and places for your phone. And this particular boat has the filler cushions to wrap around this entire area. Hidden anchor windlass forward, and we also have a shade system that goes in with some poles, so you can almost have shade from the front of the boat all the way to the back of the boat. Induction chargers, both at the companion and at the helm. The boat is just beautifully designed and ready for you today. This is Ian Stevenson. This has been the video walkthrough of the 28 Aviara. Come check us out at www.marinemax.com.